Hello everyone, and welcome back to Dav Facts Channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of Chinese cuisine with a spotlight on one of my all-time favorites, chicken chow mein. Not only is this dish incredibly delicious, but it also boasts a plethora of health benefits that you and your family will love. So, let's get cooking. Before we jump into the cooking process, let's take a quick look at the ingredients we'll be using for our chicken chow mein. First up, we have boneless, skinless chicken breast, which is a fantastic source of lean protein. Then, we have an array of colorful vegetables such as bell peppers, carrots, and onions, packed with essential vitamins and minerals. And of course, we can't forget about the noodles, which provide a good source of carbohydrates for energy. Now that we have our ingredients prepped, let's talk about the health benefits of chicken chow mein. One of the main benefits is its high protein content from the chicken, which helps in muscle growth and repair. Additionally, the vegetables in this dish are rich in antioxidants, which can boost our immune system and protect against chronic diseases. Another great aspect of chicken chow mein is its versatility. You can easily customize it to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs. For instance, you can add more vegetables for extra fiber, or use whole wheat noodles for added nutritional value. And let's not forget about the flavor. The combination of savory chicken, crisp vegetables, and savory sauce creates a mouth-watering dish that's sure to please even the pickiest eaters in your family. Absolutely delicious. I highly encourage you to give this recipe a try for your next family dinner. Not only is it a crowd pleaser, but it's also a nutritious option that promotes a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Remember, moderation is key when it comes to enjoying your favorite foods. So, indulge in this chicken chow mein in moderation, alongside a variety of other nutritious foods, for a well-rounded diet. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cooking!